Hello, mobile content creators. Today, we bring analytics to your fingertips. I'll walk you through the process of checking your content analytics using the YouTube Studio mobile app. Let's harness the power of data and understand how your videos are performing. Here's how you can do it. To get started, make sure you have the YouTube Studio app installed on your mobile device. If not, go to the App Store and download it. Open your YouTube Studio. On the initial page of the application, click on the Analytics option in the lower corner of the screen in the middle. By opening the Analytics on a new page, you can see in the upper corner of the screen some offered analytics that have been shared. In our case, we choose the Content option. Click on it. Now comes the exciting part. On the new page, by clicking on the All option, you can see all the data related to videos and shorts, as well as the playlist. If you want to see individually, just for videos or drags, click on any of these options and find out how your videos are doing on YouTube.
And there it is!
Checking the analytics of your content is now at your fingertips, thanks to the YouTube Studio app. Understanding these metrics allows you to tailor your content and communicate effectively with your audience. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing on the go.